Hey guys, it's Marcia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. In my other video, some people at my school were saying that I watched your videos and the slime one and the other slime one didn't really work. So, I made another one. This is it. Food coloring is optional. That means you can use it or you don't have to. I use it, I put like little marbles in it. So yeah. And yeah, let's get to the video. Oh wait, my space is running out, so that's why I won't be posting longer videos. This video is only gonna last 4 minutes, cause that's how far it could go. So yeah, let's get to the video. The first thing you're gonna put is some perfume. It could be any perfume. As long as it's like, well, like really liquidy. I understand some are like really, well, I don't really know how to explain it, but just make sure it's really liquid. Now you're just going to mix that all around. Now you're going to add some Dove. This works better, but you can use any type of shampoo Dove. Now you're just going to mix that all together. And as you see, it's getting really liquidy. That's okay. See, it becomes this pinkish, like whitish type of formation, and I don't really like that color. I really like yellow and blue, but I didn't have blue, so I just used some yellow. Okay. After that looks like that, you're going to take hair oil. It has to be hair oil, or else it won't work. Now you're just going to pour 2 drops. Or else if you pour a lot, then it'll become too thick and too hard. It'll feel like Play-Doh, and you want it to feel like this slime. So yeah, now you're just gonna mix it, and now you're gonna put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Fridge for 10 hours if so. Okay, for some reason my recording stopped, so I had to add another clip, and yeah. But what did happen was I took it out and I had to add a pinch of salt. I put it right back in the fridge for about 2 minutes, and I took it out and I put food coloring and a little marbles, but food coloring is definitely optional. And after, yeah, I turned out to this. Really cool. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more. So yeah, I understand I said it works for almost every shampoo, conditioner I meant, but it actually doesn't. I'm sorry, it works for only Dove, but you guys can go to CVS and get Dove. All these ingredients can be at CVS. I don't know about salt. Maybe it can. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, this was very fun to bake. And well, I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye.